I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this and on we'll go.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie
and Chantel,
and today we are going to Riverside Falls. So that is in Portland. It's actually closer to the St. Thomas side, the border. So we're actually driving St. Thomas way. The road is very bad. It is currently 10:06 and we're at the gas station in Yalas waiting on Anika. About 5 cars of us are going. It's gonna be lit. We're gonna be grilling, jerking and everything on the riverside, and you know, we're pretty excited, so stay tuned. Guys, we're lost.
That expires, go from here, sir. I'll stop from my dirty mate.
mind you with chicken.
You want to be there and I'm equal like
Alright, you need to put on a mask.
I'm gonna wipe off the mouth.
What ya?
Wanna wipe off mouth? The kitchen already.
No, sir. After I tell her to come check if you not stop. Watch board.
Stop right up this one now.
Watch board. Watch board.
Mr. Hey. Around the bag, Shaddie.
Miss Jamaica, how you doing? My brother that Auntie Jackie.
Hey, brother. Okay.
Well, let's say I'm a brother still.
But you don't look alike.
Stop it. Stop it. We look alike. You want me to dress out the way so you can't focus on the map?
I'm Manchester with that. You map.
Another chicken.
You know, so we should have turned at the gas station.
What list? May I tell you say what list?
Sure. She could have come, yes?
Girl,
Which you want me to dress out the way?
It's alright, Shaddie. We figure it out. Shaddie, make your last up.
But don't not call my name. That's why I don't want to run the phone. Bust laugh. Shut up. Them a come now, yeah?
Yeah.
Shit.
A Jamaica flag. Hey, Cassidy! Say hi!
I'm enjoying the spice.
You like it? I don't want to reach. I'm really am I tired? Guys, my last. We'll find myself. I will still not reach. We have like probably 10 minutes left.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight.
I'm gonna get 2 people, please. $5 a piece.
I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I got.
You missed the edge. You're trying to sit down. Hi ladies, welcome to Reach Falls. How's the water? The cold? Have you been in it yet?
They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. So just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more.
Riverside again. Get the water.
Guys, the fire too much. They must go for some more pepper elder. Pepper elder bush. We try out the fire, guys. Cause them not have it. See the behind you. You want more pepper elder? We can keep it nearby.
Which part of the fire?
Yeah. Good as so. We just need some in the middle, right? Woo. Pepper elder burn my eye.
Come to your left. Up front. Up front.
Veggie chicken this, you know. Pepper elder to the rescue. Yeah.
Okay.
Country lady.
Mama not know the thing now. She in her element.
Water in the car.
One bucket.
that baby. Guys, them are eating vegetarian. Watch burger. Yes, guys. Chicken over the sasima.
2 hours later.
Guys, we finally finished cooking, but they close off at 4:15 for the falls, so I didn't get to go in.
That's all, folks.